Dave and I are, is December 26th. We're excited to break away from the Christmas stress and everything and head out for the day. Perfect day compared to the last video we did. We're on his boat, the J105, no comp. And beautiful around here. So you can see no white caps.
About a half mile outside of here.
Yeah. Wind's just starting to come up a little bit. Oh, the car's got to come back. Out there's Santa Cruz Island. Keeping an eye out for whales too. It is whale season for the humpbacks and the grays. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. No, not yet. Beautiful Southern California day. Just past the oil rig. Gina. Santa Monica Mountains.